Good morning, afternoon, evening, depending on where you dey watch us from. Na me, una personal person, Lady B Good, and we dey bring una this ogbonge koko matter from i5 studio. Abeg, if you know say today na your first time of you coming across our video or our channel, make you try subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload another ogbonge koko matter like this, you go be the first person to be notified. People talk and say wetin elder sit down for share dey sing, even if say small pikin climb the highest mountain, e no go fit see am. And also pikin wey say mama no go sleep, that say pikin no go sleep. Pikin wey trust stone for market, e no know if mama dey market, make that stone no go meet mama. They say a word is enough for people. So today's koko matter wey I bring come for una so na about Edo State vigilantes. How they take dey protect the good people of Edo State, how they take dey tackle the insecurity wey dey that Edo State, and also how they take dey do their job good pass Edo State police. So my people, without wasting much of una time, make we go to the main koko of today's news. Yes, so my people, story don jafrata again for table. Our Edo State vigilantes, they don apprehend some criminals, some things wey be say they go dey loot one woman shop. As the Edo State vigilantes dey parade for night, now they catch all these people. My dear people, na children now go dey bongo this woman shop, go dey loot things. They carry many things. They carry rice, beans, groundnut oil, recharge card, everything. They just pack the woman things. This children say they sit down for us, so now this their uncle come tell them say e get where they go this evening, make they go thief. And this one not be the first time when we say that they do this thing. No, this one at the third time. The first one they go, they not succeed. The second one they see things carry. Why this third one they just succeed, finish, they pack everything, finish. And these children, the brother tell them say make they not tell their mama say see where that they go. These children, as the one come up for us, the mother ask them say, where na they go? They say the uncle send them message. Nice, okay, Mona quick go, Mona come back home. They say okay. Now so the children go to the woman shop, loot everything, just carry everything for inside. So lucky, Edo State vigilantes come free catch them. As they catch them, now they can't go bring the brother come out. That man they deny say not be send them. Those children say na send them because children not fit just carry like put for head like that. Say the brother come to them say, oh, then under the caravan when they say they go pass enter the shop. Now so the children really go pack everything when they say they fit pack come. Now Edo State vigilantes stay apprehend all these children. So for those of una when be say wetin I dey talk, so una never see am or una never feel wash am. Oh yeah, Miralo Aki.
Oh yeah, bring your face. Where wanna go? Where wanna they come from? Which power line? Hey! Abeg, tell everybody to go back, abeg. Where wanna they come from? Where for power line? Where wanna they carry these things from? For where?
For one master and one master.
Now I go Bogo. Who Bogo now? Now this Oga. Now if Bogo this store. You say oh they there. Wait. Talk to me. The way
Order.
Talk to me, they talk.
This evening, because we got good food on rice, still come up friends. Doesn't make my staff cook. Because say this evening we'll come out to say we'll go outside. So we'll go outside. Because say but not our mama.
I bet also you come.
No, because say
talk.
Because we was not our mom. Now you go come out. As come follow come after don dey go. Come na ya wati. I go tell me say but after you send us message go call. Mom we go say for where because if our that place for in Yamu Street because that's how we go. Mom we go say what you go do because I say us message no go me because mom we go say more quick come go say more quick come ask say me can carry a mom for us. I go say okay now go come out. I don't want As come now, go meet her for road. As come meet her for because they see, oh, we'll pass on. Now go say, okay, now you go come out, now you go pass. Now we never you just pass. This na you put the fan, now you go come, pass. Then now we call this, now we call the car in the come.
Okay, now this store now loot all these things.
Yes.
That's all this Indomie.
Yes.
All this provision. Both charge card and money. Starfish.
Rice.
Now you cannot go there.
Yes.
Where the rest people where you want them go? Now they will go this one. How many times now don't go different places? 3 times. You know the place where the car will go before?
Yes.
Where be the first
Where
one?
be the first one? Compare say. Where be the second one?
The second one I see on Paris, say that you know what to do for now, go pass. Go this one too.
Show him as my first carry something for the second one. So you call me small too.
The first one, now we take like small tools. Then the second one we go again. We not going to succeed for that one. We go pass, we go this one, we complete 3 times.
What are you doing now?
We don't know.
You say if mama see I go dey happy finish.
You hear what they talk? You go or you not go? What to? Yeah.
You say wetin don vex?
I don't know one. For where to carry this meat?
Village. Where you for our no bank because the person where they died the motor so the motor cost square for one and smell for the bank. When they call it carry the smell go they add. They go sell them.
You know the store we did? You know the store? The store when I go for power line and you know am?
Yes.
Okay, you go show us.
Welcome back, my people. Una don't see the video when beside they talk about. Una see how this man take spoil these children life. They show these children they take the thief as this tender age. This man just spoil them. Where did they pay me pass when inside na their mama home? As a mother, your children go carry things come house. You know say these children not fit afford all these things. You not fit caution them say come on. Where una for see money when I take buy this when you know say these children not be say that they work say they get money to take they afford all these things. No, you as a mother you go carry and they happy, which is very wrong. And then my advice to mothers, mona try to dey caution una children to they know their movement. At least pikin maybe say it buy something come house, not be you give her money, the pikin not the work. Try as a mother caution her, ask her say come on, where you foresee this money when you take buy this thing? Where you foresee this money? Because me your mama no say you know they work. Make sure say you know where this they foresee this money when they take buy the thing, so that all this kind of disgrace, all this kind of thing we go feel they avoid that. My people, may we go to another news. We dey come back now.
Share video na novara. Share video na novara.
Yes, so my people, now welcome back. But before I go give una this cocoa matter, may I sort use my tea to balance well. The cocoa matter when me want tell una so now about our Edo State vigilantes. They do on their own when they get information say Fulani S-men they operate for Benin Awushi Express Road. Now so our vigilantes spring it to action as they get there. So the vigilantes and the Fulani call they exchange guns. So Edo State vigilantes coffee get one of the Fulani down. They apprehend one other, making it 2. One already there. So they call they ask the question. They come find out say there be Fulani S-men when we say they terrorize Benin Awushi Express Road. After the Edo State vigilantes don't interrogate them, they don't beat her before you can't confess. Say see where that they keep their things for bush. Now so the vigilantes take spring into action when they get there now. They really see different things. They see AK-47, see jazz when we say that they use, see many things for their hand. So for those of una when we say this news when we say I did talk, so I never see her or I never hear her. Oh yeah, Miralo Aki.
That are terrorizing Benin Awushi Express Road. Those kidnappers. So God so kind, Two have been apprehended, and one is dead.
Not be outside.
One is dead.
This one say na Benin na.
That one not be full.
He say na Benin.
You say na Benin.
This one say na Benin.
So
Which tribe you be?
Look at their jazz, their mercy.
What tribe are you?
Thank God one of them is dead.
Rokosa, you the craze. Now,
Which tribe you be?
You say what? Where you come from? You the mad which village you come from? Where they for born you?
Now Hausa person.
Which tribe
Go
you be?
trap your head join that place.
Yeah,
Now you
for
mad.
See there.
Why you dey say Rokosa?
Now, Babangida. Okay, now you don't dey mad. They don't catch you. They don't dey mad. You don't dey form say now whether you don't dey mad or all those ones.
See the
See the AK-47.
Look at what they are using
To feed them.
to look at their property. Look at their property. Kidnapper that was caught along Benin Ochiro today. Look at their court outside, their AK.
They even dey do so for
Look
them.
at it. So we thank God for the dignity and the police force, their collaboration to catch these boys.
They'll carry women, they'll rape women, they'll do another thing with women.
Welcome back, my viewers. Una see the video when BC they talk about so. Una see how all these Fulani herdsmen they terrorize everywhere for Edo State. Well, kudos to our Edo State vigilantes because they do great job for this our country. Without wasting much of una time, my people, make we take some more break. We dey come back for another news. Yes, so my people, welcome back. Oh, I started talking for my previous video just now. Say today's video now all about Edo State vigilantes for the Google things maybe say that they do for that our Edo State. But before me go give una the details of this Coco matter, so I go let una watch this video. Then I will come back and analyze how it be. Oh yeah, Miralo Aki.
What be your name?
Joshua.
Joshua. What you enjoy like this?
I saw boys for Moby Dead where attack me as I come as I go as yesterday. They attacked me for Moby Dead. The bus driver where I enter and I go call them for across Moby Dead, they come beat me. I not do them anything. The next thing while you see they bring out gun, carry me go call and start to beat me. They use plan to beat me, they use wood, they beat me, everything. I lock that thing, now God just save me, watching up, escape. My bag, they cut out, my gold what happened there, they cut out too, sir. All my things, they collect everything. The bus driver run. Then they beat me like this, sir. On my escape.
Okay. You don't report the matter to police?
Yes, I don't go Obilaba and this morning.
Okay. I was telling me you go over market. But nevertheless, since you don't come vigilante office call report, we'll make the arrest, carry them to CID. So you know the bus driver?
I feel recognized for face. But I don't know fully.
The boys when beat you, so you know any of them?
Yes, I know one of them is
What do you call her?
Name the popularly call her Indomie.
Indomie.
Yes.
Why you fetting one?
I don't feel that as I rock more for that place that yesterday, so as I rock about as I rock one bros, I don't know where the bros come for. They even carry people for inside boat we could drunk me for us. So that the bros then come the way no go tell me say nah you see the boy we cut my bag and the group of boys say one of them inside. So if I won't see them, one of them inside for the name na Indomie.
Okay, thank you very much. If where you stay, you drop your phone number and your address. So I'm gonna go look for that Indomie. You see assist us, you'll go ring road, find the driver. Just like if you arrest him, this one I joined Edo State Joint Vigilante. I'm the OC robbery in charge of anything armed robbery in Edo State from government house. So we will try to arrest all of them and bring them. Thank you for your cooperation.
What is your name?
Desmond.
Desmond. Okay. How many of you now do that operation?
But this boy, so you know people when you do it.
She get me if I'm you see the collect.
Why they arrest you?
If I me sit down my own they arrest me. Me did the yesterday with the tite apple.
Okay, you you just did the way they for rob am.
Yes.
But not be you rob am.
Not be me.
But you said you know the people will rob am.
Yes, I know the people back.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. When I come over this man back. My friend, what happened? Tell me what happened.
Yesterday I was going home when all these people attacked me.
They attack you. Now they give us injury.
Yes, sir.
So they rob you a bit, they just want to beat you. What did really happen?
They robbed me. They won't rob me. They robbed me. They collect my chain, my phone for me, and my bag where I put my money. Here I gang. I got that robbed me.
So how you got to get this injury?
All this injury, so now they beat me with cutlass. So carry wood, so carry battle house for ACI, so carry cut to side. Now they beat me. As they beat me finish, one of the bros where she saved me for ACI. As you see the bros now, they call it run. The driver now one runner, because use beaten knock slap.
Because you want to take jam you now slap.
Yes.
Now take get all this injury,
Yes.
so it's all right. So the work with this vigilante, do you like him?
Yes, sir.
Now vigilante I call the rescue, help you they get there, look for them, they arrest them, not be so.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. What is your name?
My name is Joshua. They use battle house on me also.
No worry. Thank you very much.
Yes, so my people, una welcome back. Una don't see the video. Una see how Edo State vigilantes say they do good things for our state. Una see the way we say they handle all this case with better action. Even the police self, if people go report to them, they go tell them, say, "Mona go report to vigilantes." May therefore know, say, Edo State vigilantes, that they do good. They are doing good. That they do good for that our Edo State. I put the Edo State governor here. Obaseki, welcome to I5 studio. You know, say the last time when be say I talk to you, I tell you, say, may you empower all these vigilantes because they really try for Edo State. All these vigilantes, they do good things for Edo State. They fight crimes when they say police never ever still fight. I tell you the last time, may you empower them, give them better ammunition. No, come to think of it, Obaseki. All these vigilantes, they get wife for house. Some get children, their children go school. They go hit. When you never still empower them, maybe they pay them monthly allowance so that the office they take care of their children and for their own self. Give them better uniform. Give them better ammunition when the fit they use. Well, give them in-laws when they say the fit they parade for streets. They catch all these crimes when they say if they happen for our Edo State. You know, say I tell you for the first time. This one is the second time. May you do what me they tell you now, so that better things go fit they come out for that our Edo State where. So my people, I don't talk to the Edo State governor, and then for my vigilantes, I want beg una, mona beg. Mona not stop the good things when be say una they do for Edo State. If the governor not answer una, I believe say good people there Edo State when be say they go feel come to una head, they go feel answer una well. And from us from I5 studio, we go still try, still know how we will still assist una for one way or the other. I beg Mona not put una out for bad thing. Mona they do the good things when be say una they do for Edo State, and I believe say God will always they bless una for these good things una they do so. So my better people, may we take short break. We they come back for another news. My people, if you know say you dey watch our video or our channel and you never see subscribe, make you try subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload another cocoa matter like this, you go be the first person to be notified. And also make you share am with your people so that they go know say this kind of station e dey exist. So we go see you now for our next episode. Bye bye.
For your quality outfit like corporate wears, turkey wears, corporate shoes, sneakers, designers bag and shoes, glasses and human hair to grace that event and celebration, contact Fresh Collection, a class and style, a place of sure beauty, very affordable, a quality outfit that gives your money value. Start your bookings now. Delivery is reliable and sure. Fresh Collection, a place of sure beauty.